Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the Purito Oat pdrn Gentle Refining Toner. This product retails for $23. Really excited because Purito has done something unique, taking a trending ingredient like pdrn and combining it with oat to create what looks to be a very soothing toner. I cannot wait to try this. It looks to be fairly simple on paper, but they utilize some amazing technology in here. This is also the first vegan-friendly pdrn that I am trying, so I'm excited to see what it looks like and how it compares to the original pdrn. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. The highlighted ingredients include gunsan, oat seed water, and 99% pure oat pdrn. To check out the full ingredients, you can click the link in the description to go to their website. Also left full ingredients in the description as well. Big things we're going to be looking for include: how does this product feel? What finish does it leave on the skin? Does it cause any acne? And also, it says it is a refining toner, which makes me think it's going to help with some texture and create a nice glow to the skin. I want to see what results I notice with that. As for anything else, I'll be continuing to do check-ins, so I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm here to give you all a quick check-in and also my first impression with this product. I'm so excited to see what this toner does for me because pdrn combined with oat is seeming like the perfect soothing and hydrating complex. They also include meadowfoam seed oil in this, which has worked for me in some other formulas. So I'm super excited to see how this feels and what I notice. It is definitely a watery, milky toner. You can see here, it doesn't really give much bounce. Just very lightweight. Blends in immediately. It's super lightweight. Purito toners have notoriously been lightweight like this. I'm gonna put some in the palm of my hand as well, just to show you the texture. So lightweight. This is feeling like it could be the perfect hydration step for any skin type. Of how lightweight it is. I love that they went this approach. See, when I put it on the face, it feels very comforting, very moisturizing with the lightweight ability. Very unique, honestly. I wasn't dealing with any bad redness, but it definitely did create a nice soothing benefit to the skin. I can already tell that it's appearing less red. I'm excited to see what I noticed with this product. It's seeming like a very simple, nourishing, and hydrating product. Feels super lightweight. It blends in practically immediately and dries down to this really nice finish. It is still pretty hydrating. It's comforting internally without that external overly dewy finish. I really enjoy that aspect of it. I can't wait to see how this product continues to perform. So I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm back to give you all my final thoughts on this product. I felt like this was a very simple yet effective approach to a pdrn style product, and I'm glad that I'm seeing brands do toners and complexes with pdrn like this, because I feel like the complex makes it really soothing and gives it the additional benefit of hydration when they added the vegan pdrn to this product. First off, if you've experienced some acne or pdrn didn't work for your personal skin type, this vegan alternative could be a potential way to introduce it into your routine if you're wanting the hydration benefits of it. I felt like the Beta-Glucan, the oat, and the other ingredients in this product meshed really well to create a beautiful, soothing complex, and I feel like Purito really nailed it with this toner. It is super lightweight, but yet gives a nice finish to the skin that gave me a slight glowy base, but mostly helped my redness in a really lightweight form. So I would recommend it for that. I really don't know of any other complexes on the market that utilizes pdrn in this way, and I feel like it makes it really unique and personally spoke to my skin concerns, because actually while I was doing this trial, I was experiencing some breakouts from a product I tried previously, and it was helping take out some of the redness of those zits, and also I feel like it was helping to prevent future zits from coming up on my face as well, just because it was very nourishing, very skin barrier strengthening. It's a pretty simple ingredient list as well, so I feel like it could be safer for acne prone skin. Everyone's acne is different, but I really love the ingredients they chose to include in here. I can't really think of an alternative to this product with the oat, with the soothing complex, with the pdrn in here. I feel like it makes it really unique, stands out from a lot of others on the market, and I love this use of pdrn. It's an ingredient that I really love for hydration. I've seen a lot of skincare experts recommending it for that sole purpose, but when you mesh it with so many great soothing ingredients, it creates a complex that was really lightweight to soothe and calm the skin when it was really irritated, and that's what I felt like this does best. I feel like this is a really standout toner launch, but I'm not surprised because I love so many of Purito's toners. Their Centella toner is definitely the more lightweight alternative to this. This is a really unique approach to a milky toner, and I'm glad I tried it because it embodies everything that I look for in skincare products, covers all of the skin concerns that I needed to cover while trying it. I'm really glad I tried it at the time that I did because I got to put the soothing benefits to the test, and it's really effective. It's not an instant soothing benefit, but it definitely is something that shows better results over time. It worked for my skin, didn't cause any acne, and I can't wait to continue using it and keep you updated on the results. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week. I will see you all in the next review.